Reboot.
Oh, we're getting an echo. I can't deal with that. Oh, the check mark. Hang on. I had to click the check mark. And yeah, anyways, we're done. But so, this is the 2021 International 2021 International YouTube Collaboration. Thanks to Renee at Soaps for Love. Check her out. She's awesome.
Yes, and next up is the Blue Jay soap.
Yeah.
I'll just me rubbing my hands, by the way, because I'm excited.
Are you excited about Blue Jay soap? I chose a bird instead of flowers because we are buried in snow, and we don't get to see any colorful birds all winter. So, and I like the Blue Jays, very pretty, even though it's a nasty bird.
I know you say that. I don't know, but I don't know as well. It's also the name of the baseball team that's run Toronto Blue Jays.
That's right.
Anybody who likes baseball out there?
Go Blue Jays. I used to play baseball. I don't really like watching it though.
So, you got the colours right, I think, apart from the black.
I tried really hard. I left the black out because the whole idea of this collaboration is to do a one-pot wonder.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's called. Which I stupidly thought was like, yay, I just get to plot 4 colors in a bowl, but no. There's a technique to it. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos, figured it out, kind of. I'm using wild honeysuckle, which I totally regret now because I think this should have been a man's soap. Wild honeysuckle smells beautiful, but I've been neglecting the men, and this would have been a perfect one to do, like,
Yes, how dare you neglect the men?
I'm sorry.
We want our soap. We want our Givenchy and Armani smelling soaps.
I'm so sorry.
Well, no doubt this one will smell good for both, I think.
Well, you don't mind floral soaps yourself,
no,
right?
That's right.
Kind of overloaded with them here, and you don't mind them.
I love all the soaps.
Anyway, it's the technique that counts in this. So, just showing you my colors here. I like to mix my own colors. I kind of have all the basic colors, and then I just, start mixing. I'm not too good with shades of things. Like, I don't even know what some colors are. I think I have a color deficiency. My dad's like completely colorblind.
Yeah, I think you struggle sometimes with off shades. Not your dad's obviously
very
colorblind. But
women can't be colorblind, I don't think, but they carry the gene. And I just, for some reason, when it comes to shades, I get really confused.
Yeah, it's the shades with you. I mean, that's where sometimes I help you out.
Like, it'll take me a whole day just to get my colors ready, and then I'll make the soap the next day. So this particular color right here, I don't know if it's blue or green.
Well, that one there is what they call colonial blue, and the one next door is empire blue, which was used in a period of time when they built certain houses, hence the names. And they're so vibrantly, beautifully bright in colour.
Yeah.
They're just
fantastic. I just got a color. There's my micas that I used. So white, black, silver, neon green, and 3 blue, neon blue, and 2 other blues, and came up with. There was my color palette, so I just copied that. A Blue Jay color palette.
It's very, very close
as I could get.
As you could get. Perfect.
Yeah, I've seen actual Blue Jays eating other birds, and I don't know how they sing, but oh Lord, do they squawk like a freaking banshee.
Well, I mean, birds are descendants of dinosaurs, aren't they? So they're very, they can be very vicious to one another. Plus anything they find that they can have a peck at.
When they're hungry, they're hungry.
They can be quite scary as well as being beautiful things.
Yeah, they are beautiful birds, though, I have to say. I don't know if you can hear our dogs, like,
yes, they
licking themselves to death in the background,
wanting pick-me-ups
because they're small dogs, and we're in the office, and as soon as you shut the door on them, they start squealing. So
we've got an audience this evening with the dogs. And here we go with the whizzy. Let's get busy.
And I am so fast. Look, I'm Bionic Man.
The Bionic Man, oh god. Yes, the Bionic Man. You know, instantly enough, I grew up loving that show, but we downloaded the season.
So here's the technique. Sorry, baby. Here's the one pot wonder technique. And this got real thick on me, and it scared me, and I had a hot flash. And I thought, do I have time to scrape out my little containers here? Because this is getting really thick. And yeah, when I have little panics like that, I get hot flashes, and then I make mistakes. So so we downloaded old Bionic Man episodes and watched them and had a great laugh because the
sound effects when he picks them up, and then that's what one where they clearly had a scene where it looked like he was climbing this mountain at, you know, lightning speed, but actually it was reversed.
Yeah, they just reversed the footage to make him come back down, right?
Yeah,
and when he's running through the field,
oh god, yeah,
it's just the film sped up. How come we didn't notice that when we were younger? It's so funny.
We really believed you had them powers, didn't we? But yeah, it was great watching.
Here's the part that's such a weird angle. You had to film this for me with your phone because I felt like I would get the bucket in the way of the camera. So here's what you got. You have to prop up the mold for a while, and then I forgot it was propped up, and then I panicked. Made a mess. So you're sweeping the soap back and forth, and then you eventually stop propping the mold up. At this point, I'm just like having hot flashes, and oh Lord.
No, but the angle works. It got the desired effect.
It did work out in the end. I'm surprised. It's like, look at that mess.
Do that going forward, but yeah, it worked well.
Very well. So we had a creative day today.
Yeah, we did.
You did your music, and I did a lot of website updating and stuff like that. But
yeah, I was in the studio working on another tune. And
what's it called, by the way, or do you have a name?
I've not got the title for it yet, but I've got the lyrics, so I'm just working on an idea.
There's my shovel. I'm gonna get you one.
I love them shovels.
I'm going to get you one for sugar and for ice cream, and the link to that shovel is in the description box below. And it's the only reason I'm going on and on about this shovel is because when you're playing with soap, it gets into the corners. I love that thing.
I love it anyway because it's just, you know, my Action Man G.I. Joe had one of them.
That's right.
Dig soil up in the yard with it, thinking he was on missions.
Yeah. Did you have like a sandbox with your G.I. Joe? Like, did you dig through the sandbox?
Yeah, it's funny how, it's funny how everybody used to talk like the American war.
No.
Actor like Audie Murphy with the Action Man or your G.I. Joe.
You lost your accent when you were playing G.I. Joes?
You went, come on, we got to get into the chopper. You know, it's just.
Oh my goodness.
You realise everybody did it because they watched the war films when they were younger.
That's so funny.
Oh, look at this.
Those are dried rose petals. I didn't know what else to put on the top. I could have left it alone, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyway, I heard you singing earlier.
Yeah.
And you were singing in a lower tone than usual.
Yeah.
And I told you, wait, don't change a thing. That actually sounds really good.
Yeah, well, that's it. Sometimes you don't, when you're producing yourself, you don't look outside of the box. And I've now going to combine that in this new song I'm doing.
Dried lavender. Dried lavender. Sorry, guys, we're getting off topic.
So now I'm paying Jess back by come and do some narration because I've taken a break from it.
Yeah.
And here's the lovely
Blue
spray.
Shimmer. Blue mica shimmer.
Shimmer.
Things can't be shimmery and sparkly enough for me. I have shiny ball syndrome, I think is what it's called.
Well, actually, it's like the song, isn't it? Shim, shimmy, shim, shimmy.
Oh, no. Like if I see something sparkle somewhere, I have to stop and stare.
Oh, look at the metallic texture on that. It looks like shiny glass metal.
Very pretty.
It turned out really well.
Thank you. Look, see, now I thought I'd like the light blue or light robin's egg, whatever color that is. But as it turns out, that dark blue is calling me like It looks like velvet to me. Does it look like velvet to you? It's because I put a little bit of black oxide in it.
It actually makes me feel like I'm on a surfboard and I'm going through a tunnel of ocean.
Now, it's supposed to make you feel like a blue jay.
What does a blue jay feel like?
I don't know. Light and airy?
Light and airy.
Feathery?
And here comes the slicey bits. The sound of that when it goes is great.
No, I'm going to have to record some sounds close up for all those people that like, what do they call it? ASMR?
Yeah,
they like the sounds of the wire going through the soap and the splashing of the oils. And can you record that for me with your studio equipment?
I can, yeah.
That would be fun.
It'll bring a bit of extra enhancement to the video presentation.
This soap is available at fruitsofaloon.com, and I still have 50% off soaps there, and they're going to stay that way until they're all gone.
And I'm going to try a little sliver of it.
Yeah, look
when
at
I
that
have
little
a shower.
sliver.
That one, I've got my name on that one.
There you go. And there's two. One for me, one for you. If you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Ring the bell.
Give us a like. Put a comment down below. It really helps us. And it looks like we're babbling to a black screen, but that's okay.
That's okay. Thank you for watching, and we'll be in touch very soon.
Well, we've got like 10 more videos to do, so.
Yes, a lot sooner than we realised. Anyway,
literally
have a good evening,
see
people.
you in 10 minutes.
Take care.
Or something like that. Back to you, Connie.